Test driving a car should be more than just taking it around the block. But most drivers don't know what to look for and end up missing signs that something is wrong. Smart drivers treat the test drive like a mini inspection. It's your one chance to catch hidden problems that may turn in expensive mistakes. In this video, I will tell 7 simple things smart people do before saying yes to a car. Do them and you will avoid regret, save money, and maybe even spot a bad deal before it happens. If this sounds helpful, give this video a like and hit subscribe. This really supports the channel. First, prepare before you even arrive. Before stepping into a dealership, know what to expect. A quick search will tell you if the model has common issues, recalls or small quirks to watch for. And don't just show up empty-handed. Bring a child seat if you use one, a laptop bag, gym gear, or even a bag with groceries. See if it fits into the life you actually live, not just the showroom version. Got a list of must-have like legroom, easy phone pairing, and note them down, you will want to check them later. Second, quick exterior plus interior walk-around. Start with a full lap around the car. Look at the paint, is it consistent? Ever fresh overspray or panel gaps that don't line up? That could mean accident repair. Check the tires, uneven wear might mean alignment or suspension issues. Open and close every door, including the boot and the bonnet. Check that locks and handles work smoothly. Pop the hood, and even you are not a mechanic, you can spot low fluids, loose caps or signs of leaks. Trust your eyes, if something feels off, it probably is. Third one, interior comfort, where you actually live. Once you sit inside, take a moment. Adjust the seat. Tilt the steering wheel, reach for the controls. See how everything fits you. Your knees brushing the dash, head close to the roof? That stuff adds up fast on long drives. And if something feels awkward now, chances are it will annoy you every single day after you buy it. Number 4. Drive it like you mean it. A proper test drive needs a real-world conditions. That means stop-and-go traffic and a stretch of open road. Try to accelerate from a stop. Does the car hesitate or jump? Brake hard once or twice. The car should stay straight or don't make any weird noise. Turn the wheel side to side gently. The steering should feel tight, not loose or delayed. Hit a speed bump or two. A solid suspension handles it quietly. Clunks, knocks or excursive bouncing? Walk away. And if the salesperson asks to keep on the official test road, ask to go further. You are buying the car, not them. Number 5. Test every feature. Once parked again, now's the time to press every button. Check the air conditioner or heat. How fast do they kick in? Then pair your phone. Test Bluetooth like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Try the cameras. Do they lag? Are the sensors working? Windows, mirrors, seat heating, cruise control, everything should function. Don't assume that it all works just because the car looks good. Number 6. Important one. Check that it's called listen to yourself. Before the salesperson starts talking numbers, pause. Sit in the driver's seat for just 10-30 seconds, just in silence. And ask yourself, could you drive this every day? Does anything bug you already? If the answer isn't a confident yes, listen to that feeling. And last but not least, write down what you just learned. Grab your phone, open notes and write down what stood out. Good or bad, even something small like a weird rattle or slow screen. You will thank yourself later when comparing other cars. Because after 3-5 test drives in one weekend, trust me, the details blur. If this video gives you something to think about, put like and don't miss out, subscribe for more.